Nerome Open Ear Headset Review.
Pleased that the sound levels seem to be going up to what I would expect them to from this boom mic. So I'm not quite sure what the sound is coming back through. So that's a good microphone test, and I'm hoping that there's a little bit of background noise which my microphones will be cutting out. Wendy's moving around in the background, so that'll not be disturbing us, I hope. And things like me moving a cup around on the table won't bother us. But now I'm going to go back through and see if I can watch a YouTube video. Let's get something motorhomey related. We're going to have a look at a video from Mark at Rhodes Home, just to see what that's like coming through. Oh wow, yeah, I'm getting some really nice sound coming through. Although my laptop volume is turned up half, and the advert sounds are quite high, and Mark's video is the sound is a bit suppressed. A little mention to say these are, you sort of almost don't know you're wearing them. All in all, these are extraordinarily lightweight, easy to wear. You just pop them around your ears. The sound quality is excellent. It's really good. Maybe it's not as loud as I'd want it to be, but I think that's more to do with my hearing than the ability of the headphones. Yeah, looking at what you get in the box, everything you need, including the Bluetooth receiver and the charging cable, along with your quick start guide and a full instruction manual.